Hi there, Glam Squad. Welcome back to the channel. It's me, Gigi. Today we are going to go ahead and do a set inspired by the ocean, because when we picked up that glitter gel from Light Elegance at the nail shop the other day, my daughter was inspired to think of the ocean. I was as well. Many of you in the comment section thought instantly of mermaids. So I thought, let's bring all that together and do a really pretty oceany set. And as you can see, we've got Mylars down there. We've got some other glitter colors. So we're going to keep it blue and green today and just have a really oceany inspired good time. I am using Morovan builder gel, and I'm laying down a thin layer to make a tip that we're going to work on. And I'm also connecting that tip to the nail bed by adding a thin layer to my nail bed as well. I have always said that Morovan builder gel is my favorite builder gel, and while I do this glitter nail, I'm going to tell you what I've experienced with this new jar that I just bought. If you're on my TikTok or Instagram, you saw me stirring a white builder gel, and I had just bought that one and a clear builder gel this week. And when I opened the white one, it was the consistency I remember from Morovan, which is my favorite consistency. I love it. It's bouncy, it self-levels, but it doesn't run. It's thin, but not too thin. But when I opened up the clear one, they've clearly changed the formula. Before I continue, let me just say we're doing kind of a glitter press here. I'm pressing in some glitter. I'm leaving a few spaces open to add a little bit of Mylar. And then I'm pressing some more colored glitter, and we're just building a little fun nail there. While we do that, the new consistency of the Morovan, because to me it's not, there's no way it's the same. And I went back and looked at some of my older Morovan videos, and it doesn't look the same. It's not the same consistency. So somewhere they've changed this formula. I was chasing gel everywhere. It's so thin. And it wasn't curing correctly for some reason. It was taking 2 minutes to cure. It was, as it's in the lamp, it's running down the sides of the form. I really ended up having to do a lot of layering just to keep it from running. And that is too time consuming. I didn't enjoy that. So if this is the new consistency of Morovan, I'm gonna go ahead and say it has stopped being my favorite. Honestly, it's even more runny than Yayogi. And I stopped using Yayogi a long time ago because I really think it is, don't come for me. This is just my opinion. I think it is literal crap. It is the worst product I've ever worked with. Between that and I want to say I had some Born Pretty builder gel that I just, again, it's so brittle. Once you cure it, it just cracks apart. So I'm all about saving a little dollar here or there to expand my collection and be able to add the most for my buck, but I want quality products, right? I'm not only looking at what the price is. So I'm really disappointed in the new formula. We'll see how it holds up as far as wear and tear on my nails, and if we get any breakage, which I don't normally get a ton of. So we'll see how it lasts. There you go. That's my update on Morovan. Now we're going to come in on this one, and instead of doing a glitter press situation like we did on the pinky, I wanted to show an alternative, and we are doing a glitter pour instead. So what I did was lay down all the Mylars, there's a word, Mylars, and now I'm just coming in and giving it a little tap. After I cured it, I added another layer and gave it another pour. So we got the nice, pretty look that we ended up getting. Guys, I did not show you the ring finger, and that is because I floated off camera and you could barely see what I was doing. So sorry about that. What I'm showing you now is I got a little over aggressive with my filing, and if that happens to you, I just wanted to show you it's real easy to fix that. You just come in with whatever color you were using and just fill in those spaces, keep it nice and thin and flush to the rest of the nail. Smooth it out real pretty, and if you need to, lay down a base coat to give everything a smoothness. You can even float a little builder gel over the top, but I find that when you do that, you end up having to come in and smooth it out with a file again, and then you may end up with the same problem. So honestly, just a little bit of base coat will be your best friend. So there you go. If you get that little overzealous filing problem like I get, that's the way to fix that. So we're coming in with a little bit of transfer foil gel, and I'm gonna put down this like lattice work. I don't have an actual mermaid shell or scale, anything, not a stamp, not a anything. So I decided to use this because it's the closest I had, and I cannot do any hand painting that looks good with my left hand. So sorry guys. And as you can see, I did the same treatment to the ring finger. And now it's time for top coat, and you can definitely see how the Mylar shines through in that top coat, how pretty this green glitter looks through the top coat. Let's get another Mylar hit. Oh, look at that. Doesn't it just give you so much happiness? So much happiness. I know I hit my sidewall there with the, or my skin rather, with the top coat. I always clean that up before I cure, guys. I just don't always show it on camera. And here's our thumbnail. Looking super pretty. And then we're gonna pop everything in the lamp for a full 2-minute cure, because I like how it makes the top coat super, super shiny. I'm gonna clean off all of the little sticky layer, add some oil, and this is the finished set. Look at how when you shift it in the light, the Mylar catches and the glitter catches, and it makes it look like the sparkly ocean. I love this set. And I know my mermaid nails are not specifically mermaids, but you know, I think it gives it the vibe, so I'm okay with it. Guys, I hope you like them as much as I did. I want you to know how grateful I am that you watch these videos and that you enjoy my art. Thank you so much for watching, and we are going to see you next time. Bye-bye.